Hello, in this short video I will take you on a tour of CostMine's Equipment Cost Calculator, the front end of our equipment database. CostMine's team of engineers spend their days collecting, cleaning, and benchmarking equipment CAPEX and OPEX data so you don't have to. The Equipment Cost Calculator saves you time in making your mine project's cost estimates by providing comprehensive and in-depth cost numbers for your project. The Equipment Cost Calculator is useful for those interested in building up complete equipment cost estimates for their projects, or for those who want to benchmark their own internal cost estimates against an independently collected cost estimate. Engineers and cost estimators use CostMine's cost estimation platform for pre-feasibility and preliminary economic assessment level estimates in order to achieve a cost estimate with an accuracy of plus or minus 25%. CostMine maintains a database of mining costs going back over 15 years, and it is all easily accessible in this easy-to-use front end. The Equipment Cost Calculator is the industry standard reference of capital costs and hourly operating costs for thousands of pieces of mine and mill equipment. To begin, log into the tool using your provided credentials. This will take you to your project list. From here, you can create a new project or open an existing one. When creating a new project, you may name your project, its location, and other attributes in order to differentiate it from other projects. For our demo today, however, we will open an existing project. Now we can begin adding equipment to our project's inventory. You can browse our equipment database from the menu at the top. Our equipment is split into surface, underground, milling, and miscellaneous equipment. You can also perform a text search on the database. For example, if you search drill, you can see the array of drills we track. Multiple sizes and capacities are provided for each type of equipment in our database. You may use this specification as well as other provided attributes such as flow volume or horsepower to make selections appropriate for your specific project. In addition to the equipment specifications, capital and hourly operating costs are presented for your review. OPEX is an important feature of our cost estimates. In the table, you can see the hourly operating cost estimate for the life of the piece of equipment. We report the cost of parts and labor to overhaul and maintain a piece, as well as the energy consumption, lubricant, tires, and wear parts to come up with a total hourly cost to operate a piece of equipment. The Equipment Cost Calculator accumulates equipment selections in your inventory so you can see the complete listing. It is from the inventory screen that you can then gain access to other valuable features, such as the ability to flex the unit costs associated with your project. Depending on the location and cost to operate your project, you can change the labor, fuel, and consumables costs. Any changes you make automatically update your operating costs for all items in your inventory. This allows you the flexibility to change inputs for remote or overseas locations, giving you more accurate cost estimates. The user can also apply more generic cost factors to CAPEX or OPEX line items by clicking the tool icon and enter a factor to adjust up or down a cost. For example, by entering a 1.2, the user is scaling up a cost by 20%, or entering a 0.8 would scale down a cost item by 20%. Users can apply these factors to a single piece of equipment or an entire category of equipment. Capital and operating cost summary reports are available for viewing and exporting your complete inventory. This allows users the ability to easily view totals and to further utilize the inventory in their custom spreadsheets. In general, the Equipment Cost Calculator is a simple-to-use cloud-based cost estimation tool that allows quick and easy search and filtering capabilities amongst a vast database of equipment types. The unparalleled breadth and depth of data in the Equipment Cost Calculator makes it a tremendous time saver for users as they seek to execute preliminary economic assessment and pre-feasibility cost estimates for their mine project. Thank you for your attention during this demonstration. If you are interested in learning more or have specific questions, please feel free to reach out.